I'm Chef Ryan. Welcome to another episode of Cooking on Countertops. Today we're going to be cooking on our 12mm piece of Sapien stone porcelain using the InvisiCook system. As you'll see throughout the video, some of the benefits to this is we'll be able to prep right here on the countertop. We can go ahead, we can cut on here, we can make a mess, we can do whatever we want to this. So today we're going to have a special guest. We'll have Chef Rita.
Hi, Ryan.
Hi, Rita. So what are we cooking today, Rita?
Well, today we are going to be cooking French toast with chocolate chips and scrambled eggs with ham. But Ryan, can you please cut the vegetables for me?
Of course I can. So we'll give you some eggs. You can get started on that.
As you can see, cooking and prepping on a countertop is clean, efficient, not to mention the wow factor. Along with adult supervision, it is even safe for children to cook directly on the countertop using the InvisiCook system. The controls are touchscreen and easy to operate, and the system can also be operated by phone or tablet. Cleanup is also a cinch without the risk of getting burned. A variety of healthy dishes can be created using the InvisiCook system and the InvisiCookware pan. Visit us at invisicook.com and contact us for more information at the bottom of the page. Thank you, and remember, what you don't see won't burn you.
InvisiCook is a revolutionary invisible induction cooktop where safety meets functionality, bringing a sleek beauty to all of your kitchen surfaces. This family-friendly approach of blending cook space and prep space allows the little ones to be close by while alleviating the concerns of a hot surface. Ease your worries with an induction process that provides the heat you need while remaining safe to the touch. Add a 1 or 2 burner InvisiCook system to your island to make your food and keep it warm for your family to gather and enjoy. The system is easy to install. We simply place it underneath your counters to work through the surface you already have. Combined with our InvisiCookware, your cook space will work better than ever. This new innovative cookware is designed to get the most out of your system, creating more substantial heat induction. To top it off, we've updated our technology with a modern visual for the control panel, as well as embedded Bluetooth and Wi-Fi functionality, so you can control your burners from any room in the house. Get your InvisiCook induction cooktop system today and start enjoying the benefits of more space. What you don't see won't burn you.